Now I am.
Hey, Rue. What do you think about that? What do you think?
I'm in the swimming pool of all the girls. Yes. Oh. And they're going to have to dry me off.
Ruby, why don't you tack it? There you go. Get it, Ruby. Get it.
I said get it. Oh, that's the way I like to drink some water. Now I'm going to like run like really, really fast. Oh.
Did you see that?
There's Braun there with your tree.
Okay, here it comes. Here it comes.
That won't go there. Can you hold it?
That girl is talented with her toes.
As long as I don't fall. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? He's having fun.